Chelsy Davy vs. Prince Harry, the royal courtroom showdown no one saw coming. 4 years, Chelsy Davy stayed out of the royal drama, living a private life far from the chaos that once consumed her. But now, she has stepped back into the spotlight, not by choice, but by necessity. In a shocking turn of events, Chelsy Davy has filed a lawsuit against Prince Harry, her ex-boyfriend of nearly 7 years, accusing him of making false and damaging statements about her in court. This lawsuit is not just another royal scandal. It's a direct challenge to the idea that the monarchy, or those associated with it, can act without consequences. And for Prince Harry, a man who has spent the last few years fighting against media intrusion and privacy violations, this case could expose a level of hypocrisy that threatens to shatter his credibility. The past that won't stay buried. Chelsy Davy and Prince Harry were once the golden couple of the British elite. Their relationship, spanning from 2004 to 2011, was a tumultuous one, punctuated by intense media scrutiny and relentless tabloid harassment. Unlike some who dream of royal life, Chelsy wanted nothing to do with it. The constant invasion of privacy, the flashing cameras, and the press dissecting her every move were more than she could handle. She walked away, choosing a life of independence over the suffocating grip of the monarchy. But it seems that even after all these years, Chelsy's name has been dragged back into royal controversies, this time by the very man she once loved. The bombshell lawsuit: why Chelsy is fighting back. Sources close to the case reveal that Chelsy Davy's lawsuit against Prince Harry stems from statements he made during his legal battle against the British press. Prince Harry has been engaged in multiple lawsuits against newspapers, alleging unlawful intrusion into his personal life. But in an unexpected twist, Harry reportedly referenced his past relationship with Chelsy in a way that she claims is misleading, damaging, and outright false. While the exact details remain sealed under legal protection, insiders suggest that Chelsy believes Harry distorted the truth about their time together, possibly painting her as another victim in his ongoing war against the media. For Chelsy, this isn't about money or revenge. This is about protecting her name. 4 years, she remained silent while the royal soap opera played out in the tabloids, refusing to be another pawn in the ongoing battles between Harry, Meghan Markle, and the British press. But now, she has been forced into action. And by suing a royal, something almost unheard of, she is sending a powerful message. No one, not even a prince, has the right to rewrite history at her expense. A royal family in uncharted territory. The lawsuit is unprecedented. While royals have been embroiled in countless legal battles, rarely does a former partner of a prince take legal action against him. This raises serious questions about the limits of royal privilege and accountability. If Chelsy wins, this case could set a dangerous precedent for the monarchy, one that opens the floodgates for others who feel they have been misrepresented by the royal institution. And let's not forget the irony of it all. Prince Harry, who has spent years condemning the press for invading his privacy, is now accused of misrepresenting someone else's life to serve his narrative. Harry's public image on the line. This lawsuit couldn't come at a worse time for Prince Harry. His reputation has taken hit after hit since stepping back from royal duties. While he and Meghan Markle have attempted to craft an image of social justice warriors battling the forces of misinformation and media abuse, many have accused them of hypocrisy. The couple's bombshell interviews, tell-all documentaries, and controversial memoir have been criticized for their one-sided portrayals of events, many of which have been challenged by those who were there. Now, Chelsy Davy's lawsuit could reinforce a growing perception that Harry is willing to twist the truth when it suits his personal battles. The media frenzy, a case of bitter irony. The very media that Harry has fought against is now having a field day with this case. Chelsy Davy's lawsuit has become the latest obsession for tabloids, feeding into the public's insatiable appetite for royal drama. Every move, every court hearing, every legal document will be scrutinized, analyzed, and turned into headlines. For a man who has spent years decrying media exploitation, this is the ultimate poetic justice, except this time, he's the one being held accountable for his words. What happens next? The legal battle that could change everything. If Chelsy Davy wins, the implications could be monumental. Not only would it be a personal victory for her, but it could also set a legal precedent that public figures, even those as powerful as Prince Harry, cannot make false statements without consequences. Could this case encourage more lawsuits against the royal family? Could others come forward with similar claims? Could this mark the beginning of a larger reckoning for those who have used their platforms to reshape narratives? For now, All eyes are on Chelsy and Harry as they prepare for a battle that could shake the very foundations of royal privilege. One thing is certain, the days of untouchable royalty may be coming to an end. And in this courtroom drama, the prince isn't the hero, he's the one under fire.